In this video, I will show you how to add animation in CapCut. So if you want to use animation in CapCut, let me show you how to do it. So after you open the CapCut like this, now select your picture or the video that you want to add animation to it. For this video, I will use this picture. So here is the picture. So after you select the picture or the video, just go and click on this animation. After you click on this animation, so there is three animation. So there is in animation, and there is out animation, and there is combo. So you can use any one of them. So let me show you how it works. So if I click on this in animation, there is paid one. If I click on this paid, as you can see now, there is so here it will show you all the effects. So you can go ahead and choose anyone you want to use. This one. So it will start at the beginning of the video. So the in animation, it will start at the beginning of your clip or at the beginning of your picture. So the out animation, it used to work at the end of the video or at the end of the picture. So I'll just like, let's say this one. So as you can see now, here is the effect is working. So if you choose this paid one, so I'll choose this page. I'll select the image and go to this animation. So I'll choose this page. So as you can see now, if you want to reduce the like duration, you just select the image or select the video and go to animation again. So here it will give you the duration. Here's the duration for the in, and here is duration for the out. And if you want to use the combo animation, so I'll just go ahead now and remove all the in and out animation and show you how to use the combo. So if you select your image or the video you want to add the combo animation, go to animation, go to combo. So the combo animation used to work on the entire video, not on some part of the video. So let's say I want to use like this one. Let's say I want to use the zoom combo, or this one. So as you can see now, it used to work the entire video. As you can see now, so you can choose this one if you want spin. So it will work on the entire video or on the entire image. So as you can see, so that's it guys on how to use the animation in CapCut. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.